Students at the college put everything aside and celebrated Swazi culture in the colorful event where Swazi traditional dances were the order of the day. It is held annually to ensure that students do not forget their heritage, and it is also an opportunity for them to celebrate their culture. Since the college produces teachers, it finds it important to instill culture in students so that they can impart it to learners in their future schools of deployment. The guest of honor was Inkhosikati Lamatsebula, who was represented by Stella Lukhele. The Inkhosikati says the nation should go back to the basics in order to preserve culture. Inkhosikati says the pillars of Swazi culture have a solution to every problem. She says Swazi should pay attention to laws that could potentially result in them losing their heritage.
Abengakhahlelwa, abengamagalwa, abengashayanga isagila, abengashayanga imizathu kodwa ngeluswati ngilo lo lakathi uNkulunkulu utsinzisa bula lo luswati hayi isagila nempama nehlanike so usithi ke mshabuhlangene nabasushaka kuyaphambana nesiko lethu lesiswati.
The regional administrator Themba Masuku called for unity in the nation as the country celebrates 50 years of independence, saying culture continues to be a unifying force. The Chief Executive Officer of the Swazi National Arts and Culture, Stanley Dlamini, said it's important to remember that the Siswati language contains rich culture. He emphasized on the importance of preserving Siswati names. The principal of the college, Dr. Amos Mahlalela, presented a cow to Inkhosikati. The event was further made colorful by culture-based entertainment and other entertainment activities. Reporting for Swazi TV News, I am Sandy.